Huh. I may have forgot to record some things and updates. Got a sandblaster now that could fit 18-inch wheels. Super good. The spin is right there. Bought another set of wheels. These are 16x7. They're Eagle alloys, so they're just gonna be rollers for our RX-7. We brought my girl's wheels here, a pair of her Amstrad Charms, and then a pair of her new wheels, which are some Workin line DHs. A bunch of stuff here, if you can't tell. Gonna actually go to the junkyard and make a polishing station out of a knuckle right here. But yeah, just all my cutting and buffing stuff, and then some more workstation lamps, because like after we put, oh yeah, these are up now. We have overhead shelves, which block light to the workbench. So these are like hanging garage lights that are LED. So I'll hang one right here and hang one right here. That way this is lit. It's lit. Robbie brought his Nismo bumper. I have to make a hanger out of the wood because it being on the ground, fiberglass, it's already cracking. So we gotta get this off the ground. That way it doesn't get bumped or anything, because obviously it's not gonna last long if we keep moving it, and I don't want the Golf to become a shelf. We'll go to the junkyard. Go to the junkyard, pull the part off, and then, oh, we gotta go to Harbor Freight to get media for the sandblaster. All right, well, do it like that. Nah. All right, we got Robbie's bumper hung up. Got it like that. The reason why there's these vertical ones is, one, it makes it where the bumper doesn't go side to side, and two, it acts like a crane. So you put it on and then you loop it up. Got those lights too. Got these lights hung up, so flick the switch, bam. So now the workstation is lit up again, since those are covered. Over here, we got our two lamps. Got a magnetic one, that's right here. So when this door's closed, so like when this door's like this, and I'm polishing, it'll go right there. So because the polisher will be right here. And then that one, I'm gonna mount to the actual thing back here, and then this one will go like that. That way it's on top. That way when I'm like resealing wheels or something like that, I have this station. So all this will be clear and be able to move around. And then we're about to go to the junkyard to grab the knuckle assembly that I want to grab. And then we will put it right here. That way it'll kind of mount right here. I'll use the bottom of the coilover and a plate that will bolt down. And then I could bolt it like right here. And then the barrels will go right here. Faces, barrels or something. And then I can just, okay. Media, junkyard run, knuckles, media, some other knickknacks for here, and then that's it. And then we'll take the faces off the Volks. Oh, and there's one in there, and then we will do that. So anyways, back from the junkyard, we got a wheel hub assembly with spindle from the front of a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. That was in the junkyard where it should be. Do have the lights set up, so I got the media in there. That's not for good. Oh well, I'm gonna show you all the rays all the way up. Shit. Yoink. Now we have a Volk Evo 3 face just chilling right here. So I'm gonna smack the hardware out and then throw it in the sandblaster. Yeah, it's whichever way, because you're gonna get the impact from this side. So you might want to flip the wheel around. Final? Okay. Alright. I'm not gonna record the sandblasting and stuff like that. I forgot the GoPro at home. So my girl, Kareem, she's gonna take the other faces off. I'm gonna blast the faces, and then I'll give you a clip of like all the faces off, and then that's basically it. Damn, I need to put a light right here because this side of my face is dark. Yeah, I just did a hard polish right now, which is it's 500 grit clay bar, and then the rough wheel, and that's first pass. Like in comparison, that's crazy. That's really crazy. So I'm skipping some steps because these are trade wheels. So yeah, that's really cool. I'm not keeping them. I'm not keeping them after doing all this work. We could polish the Eurolines faces. Oh, totally. We just gotta get the clear coat off. Want to? Yeah, I'm gonna do the middle and then I'll do fine. So I'm going up to 1,000 right now on the orange wheel. And then I gotta do, what wheel is next? And then I'll do the white wheel with green, which is 1,500. And I'll be fine polish, just to see how it's gonna come out. If it comes out great, I'm gonna do these barrels, knock these barrels out real quick. And then finish these. That one I'm gonna save the best for last. All right, so I did this one. I went to the 1,500 and the soft one. I gotta clean the wheel, but as before, you remember the oxidation and everything like that. That is after. I mean, I still have a lot to learn, so like I still gotta go over with the like the compound, like polishing compound, to like really get it good, the liquid. But yeah, that's that. So that'll be fine for the purpose of the wheels. I mean, even when you want to compare the face, so there's like, that's what it looks like this. And then the second it goes onto this wheel, it's so much better. So much better. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up, do the sandblasting, clean them up, get all the loose material off and everything like that, finish polishing the rest, and then that's basically going to be it for these wheels. And then these wheels will go up to Austin, and then the wheels I'm picking up in Austin, bring back down, clean them, and then they will go to Corpus, because I'm also going to get a set of these Johns like her, so we can match drift spares. So I'm gonna get some Euroline DHs, and I have the floating caps mod for these style center caps. So alright, well, we got one face almost all the way done. This is the finished slip. So this is what it looks like right now, which looks great. I am starting on the last phase of these wheels, or these, and then Kareem is doing those three. We're gonna put this one back in because we changed the nozzle, the tip, and then I'm gonna polish one of the new wheels, the new rollers for our small wheels RXL. So yeah, she put in work, I'm putting in work. Okay, so done a lot. Those are all done. They're finished. There's a bunch of like deep pitting and stuff like that in these. I mean, these were trashed wheels, but blasted face. Yeah, got a media blasted face, and on the spinner, got it all down and torqued and everything like that. This shit look clean. Got another face in there. Be working on that. We got two more faces right there that need to be done. I got curious. I started polishing this, but I forgot I gotta take the clear coat off because there's clear coat, so it's not gonna polish with clear coat on. Today's the clear coat is off, and so this is diamond cut, so it kind of has like that reflective, kind of see rainbow, and this side's not. So polishing these, I mean you can hear the when this is the starter. So hard disk, and then the black crayon. Where the black crayon go? That's somewhere around here. Yeah, we out here. Lights are on. It was a successful day today. I mean, that's what it is. Polishing the lips. Started polishing the face. And we got this all situated, kind of. And I'm going to get the bigger one, so I can put a full wheel in it. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. You're gonna see the Fortunato bag. Sadly, that's clickbait. No Fortunato bag. I mean, no Fortunatos. We got Godspeeds for the FC, which is perfectly fine. We'll have those as rollers for now until we find what we want. And then, yeah. Anyway, that's it. Time to edit.